Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, y'all, so we got something interesting. Cutlass Supreme photo. That's right, you tell them, do not crush, put in the yard for parts. Because people like me, people like y'all, are looking for them. Like I said, it is a photo, but looks good, looks good. If it had like the original rallies on this bitch, like I probably would grab them. That's like one of them. Them hoes is small though. Yeah, I would need all photos to make them worth my while. Oh, look there. I think I'm gonna take that off of there. You're coming with me, buddy. Where's the rest of them at? 85 Cutlass. Interior, not too shabby for the year, you know. It be about old as me. ULOL, I told you was my girl. What the fuck? This look to be like a dash cover and a dash mat. I bet don't match shit in here. Well, I mean, I guess it'll match in here. It wouldn't match my shit. Mine ain't too bad. Oh, you know, shit, we could dye that bitch. Oh, look. Looky here. Look at what we found. No, I was looking for this bitch the other day. Well, no, at the other yard, I grabbed one. And then I ran into this one today in perfect condition. God's plan. So, I know it was something that Classic told me about, but he told me like a while ago, man. Like I really honestly thought this stuff would probably be more picked over than it is. Since they're gonna bang me up at the front door anyway, I'm finna take one of these clips off of here. But that one got 4 clips. Alright, so Cutlass Supreme photo. Dash don't look too bad, probably because that dash mat. Rear view, steering wheel, still got the keys in it. All the pieces. All the pieces seem to be there, man. This is what I was missing. Yeah, baby. So now I got 2 of them. Other one. I'm pretty sure I got an AC control, but if not, I'll come back and get this. Told you I was gonna turn you on when I found something interesting. Cutlass Supreme. Yeah, see, this one was different. Somebody's child. Oh, somebody pissed somebody off. So it doesn't have the Oldsmobile emblem right there. But it does have a little Cutlass Supreme logos on the side. Oldsmobile joints on the side. Check out the RPO codes if you want to. Y'all in the place to be. All right. I thought that might have been like an Oldsmobile license plate holder or something, but nope. Nope. So this is for like a spare joint. You know what I'm saying? I know that mine, I don't have a spare. Maybe I could just take that one deal. I don't know, they probably try to charge me for the rim and tire, like, bitch. Emblem right there. That don't look too bad, man. Don't look too bad. I guess somebody just gave up on that bitch. Hold on, let me see something. Now, why would you put that bullshit over those wheels? Why? These are the ones that everybody wants. I think I'm gonna hide them. I'm gonna hide them again just in case I decide to come get them. I'm gonna need both hands. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna hide that. I don't know too many people looking for them, but just in case. Matter of fact, by the time you see them. But actually, they not all like that. That's not good. So we got 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that could be the move. You know what I'm saying? Grab them bad boys, clean them up, put them on the marketplace, or I keep them for myself. Yeah, man, this is like junkyard gold right there. Like, look at this. It's a good condition and all. Got a Caprice, carbureted. Big 5-on-5. Oversized CCs. Maybe, what if we put these on the 17s? Put these 17s on the C10. Same love pattern. Nah, I'm good. I think we got like maybe one more row. Then it start the Volkswagens and shit, or actually the Saturns. The Saturns are right behind there. There used to be another Camaro right here. Alright. Yep. So yeah, man, that's gonna wrap that up for this one, man. If y'all looking for them steals, man, come check them out. Also, shit, I might just come grab some emblems off this bitch. Cutlass Supreme. I think you need like fishing wire or something. Dash ain't too bad neither, man. I said mine is pretty much intact, so it really wasn't too much nothing that I needed. So if I do need it, I come back with AC control. right, man. Shit, let's gonna wrap this one up. It's your boy. And this shit Ride 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go.